6 weeks left till Royal Caribbean's newest Oasis class ship, Utopia of the Seas, sets sail July 19th. Anything different with our rooms when we're booking? And when can we begin booking our dining reservations? Hi y'all, welcome back. If you're new here, I'm Tiffany with TP's Travels, and last week I talked about the cocktail map that Royal Caribbean is offering here on Utopia of the Seas and some cocktails that you can explore around the new Utopia, and also some new dining options for both specialty and complimentary. So if you haven't got a chance to check that out, be sure to check that out here. Now, I do want to say I am really excited. I announced last week that I will be on the inaugural sailing July 19th of Utopia of the Seas, and we got to check in for the Utopia July 19th inaugural sailing this past week, June 4th. So I'm really excited that we are checked in and almost ready to go. And I had several questions this past week asking, when can we book the Royal Railway at the Utopia station? And I am really excited about this particular specialty restaurant. I am ready to book it, but normally when you check in, if you go on your app, you can already go ahead and book any restaurants or entertainment that you're wanting to go ahead and book. So if we go ahead and look here, I'm going to pull up my app and show you what I'm seeing right here. Now coming over here to the dining, you'll see that these are all the restaurants that I can start clicking on and booking. Now here's Giovanni's Italian Wine Bar. I can go ahead and reserve it. It is now going to be 2 stories. I'm really excited about that one. It's great Italian food. Now if you see here, Azumi Omakase is going to be a new experience here offered at the Azumi restaurant. I am really excited about this. This is where a Japanese sushi chef is going to come to your table and they're going to prepare your foods based off of their suggestions. Now, have you ever ordered a dinner and said, well, what does the chef suggest? That is basically going to be your experience here in this Japanese restaurant. I'm really excited about this. If you love Japanese and you always want to order whatever the chef suggests, then this is probably going to be an experience you're going to love. Now, we are booked on 3 different sailings, 2 in July and 1 in August. So I'm really hoping that I can get the Omakase experience for one of these sailings. Now let's keep scrolling. Now you'll see the Royal Railway. I can pull it up. I can look at all the description, but there is not a reserve now. So I cannot reserve the Royal Railway right now at the Utopia station. I've looked it up. I don't know when Royal Caribbean is going to open this up. I am not quite sure. I'm hoping soon. I'm constantly watching my app and I will be booking it as soon as it opens up. Now, if it does open up between now and next week when we talk again on next Friday's updates, I will definitely leave a comment and let you know if Royal Caribbean came out and said anything. Now let me show you something here on the app with entertainment and also some pre-cruise discounts. First, if you're enjoying this, please give me a thumbs up. I greatly appreciate it. It really helps out this channel. And don't forget to hit that subscribe and that bell for any notifications so you can be notified every time a new video comes your way, which I'm going to have these weekly updates of Utopia every Friday until we sail out July 19th. Plus, you can see every day a new video at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. All right, so let's take a look at entertainment. So pulling up the app, if you see here, entertainment doesn't have any options. So I don't have, on any of the days, I don't have any options to look at the entertainment and go ahead and book any of these shows right now. So I'm hoping this is something that Royal Caribbean is going to be pulling out here in the next day or two. I'm gonna let you know and give you some details here soon. Now let's come over here to excursions. On this first sailing, we are going to be going to both Perfect Day Coco Cay and Nassau. We're going to have a really busy 3-day weekend. There's no sea days here on this first weekend. Now, if you see here on the app, there are different sales available right now so that you can book any of these excursions from anywhere from 15 to 30% off from Perfect Day Coco Cay and over at Nassau. So if you're looking to book an excursion whenever you're sailing, even if you're not sailing on the inaugural sailing, definitely make sure you look in your app so that you can get some of these pre-cruise sales. All right, now let's talk rooms. When you are looking to book your room on the Utopia of the Seas, What can you expect? Are there going to be any new rooms? Well, if you sailed on any of the Oasis class ships before, all of the rooms are going to be the same. So it's going to have a familiar vibe. So you're going to have those ocean view, balcony, interior, overlooking the different neighborhoods, just as you had on any of the other Oasis class ships. But there is one new room that Utopia of the Seas is offering, and that is the Solarium Suite. Now, I did look here going through Royal Caribbean's site. Right now, the earliest I have been able to find as of June 7th, this afternoon, April 2025, is when you can start to book the Solarium, because right now they are pretty much all booked up between the first inaugural sailing all the way up until 2025. Now, that's not to say any won't come open if you're wanting to sail before April 2025. If you're working with a travel agent, they can help you to see if there's any that'll come available. Now, I like to go through and just check the website as much as possible for a particular date that I am cruising. And tip, if you are wanting to get some of the better deals, it is best to book far out as you can, or if you have some flexibility, sometimes if you can cruise at last minute, sometimes they will offer last minute sales so they can kind of book up the ship as well. Now, if you are looking to book the Solarium in April of 2025, this would pretty much be your price tag right here at a whopping $10,000 for 2 people in the suite. Now, just a note, when you're going through and you're looking at any of these rooms, interior, ocean view, balcony, any of these rooms here, this price does not include taxes and gratuities. So you do have to take that into account as well. Now, this Solarium suite is absolutely gorgeous. You don't have a balcony on this particular suite. It is an infinite balcony, which is the open window. I did have that on the Icon of the Seas and loved it. It was absolutely nice. Have you ever stayed in an infinite balcony room? It was really nice. But this is a really nice room. You get the infinite balcony in your living room. So just absolutely gorgeous room. Is anyone out there looking to book the Solarium suite? Leave me a comment. I would love to hear. Now, any of these suites that you book, why would you want to book a suite? Well, you do get a few perks when you book a suite. First, you get to go to the suite sun deck. So you do get a chance to go to that private sun deck when that's only for suite guests. And you also get a chance to go to the coastal kitchen. Now, if you have a junior suite, you can go to the coastal kitchen in the evenings upon availability, but that is available for all suite guests as well. And another perk, if you are a part of Royal Caribbean's Crown and Anchor Society loyalty program, you will get 2 points instead of 1 point for every night that you stay. So their loyalty program, the Crown and Anchor Society, offers you with 1 point for every night you stay on any other cabin that you are in except for suites, where you'll get 2 points. Now, recently, Royal Caribbean did just announce that they are matching their loyalty program status to their sister ships, Celebrity Cruises and Silver Seas. I haven't been on either one of those yet. I'm looking to go on Celebrity in 2025. So if you've been on a Celebrity or a Silver Sea, definitely leave me a comment. I would love to hear your feedback and what you thought of those 2 ships. Will you be sailing out on Utopia of the Seas this year in 2024, or are you looking to book in 2025? Leave me a comment. I would love to hear. Thank you so much for watching. Until next week, bye for now.